What's up, bud? Go play frisbee?
This is the commitment.
Worth every minute. Ready to go get cold, huh? You go get cold? Come on. Let's go play frisbee. Come on, Zora. Come. Where you at? Ready?
Now here's going to be a big test. If the little guy will drop this red frisbee.
It's his favorite. Jack, drop it. Jack, good boy. Good boy. No training remote. He started doing this last night. It seemed impossible, but these are the smartest dog you'll ever come across. Smarter than most people.